how to change Facebook page name. So here in this video, let's see how can we. Firstly, open your Facebook and switch to the page that you want to change the name of. After switching to the account, in the right upper corner you can see the profile icon with 3-bar menu. Tap on that. Beside the search bar you can see the setting option. Tap on that. So here in the first row you can see the page settings. Tap on that. After tapping, in the personal information you can see the name option. Tap on the name. And finally in the box you can see your current page name. So from here you can edit the name of your Facebook page. So in order to edit, you can simply tap on the box with the name and rewrite the name that you want to change the name. Tapping, simply tap on the review change option. And here, in order to change your Facebook page name, you have to enter your password and save the changes. Also be informed that once you change the name of the page, you won't be able to change it again within the 7 days. It means you'll be able to change the name only after the 7 days, and in this way you can change the name of your Facebook page. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't forget to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope to see you in the next tutorial video.